Alright, this is the anniversary video for my channel. This is the anniversary of my first video I ever put on the channel about 3 years ago. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's a little bit all over the place. I also have a Granuity tip link from buymeacoffee.com for the channel. And me, so if you would like to give to the channel or me, you can do that. And yeah, there's gonna be more talk about that later on. Okay, anyway, Aries, let's get started with your first card, which is your current relationship with food, since it is the holiday season. We have the Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles is overwhelmed with the decadence and balancing act, lack of money, loss of balance, a lack of time and resources, and disorganization, having nothing to spend on non-essentials. So this could be a very trying time for you and your family. You might be pinching by, or you might not be financially secure at the moment, where it's kind of like what you get is kind of small gifts or food or something that's essential to the family. Okay, there's nothing really here that would be out of the norm or extravagant. Also, as far as food goes, it might be a little bit scarce, you know. It might be like a chicken or a fish or something to that effect. Something to hold you over as well. Some people have different types of food as well, so it depends on what you're eating. It's going to be scarce at best. Okay, so number 2, we have how you can improve your relationship with food. We have Chariot. Chariot is let's see, desire for revenge, war, conflict, showing off, using others for your benefit, lack of control, lack of decision, and aggressive. So I feel like there might be a little bit of a stigma here. Somebody could have said something, or maybe you got unemployed. Your money supply is a little low, I feel. So there's a little bit of a thing where you might need to either find another job, or you might need to take matters into your own hands with kind of being really resourceful. Okay? So number 3, we have how can you eat instinctively? We have Justice. So Justice, you will get what you deserve for the better, positive legal outcome. See, cause and effect, clarity, truth, good contracts, and commitments being made. So, with certain things in your life, like eating, job, stuff like that, I feel like you might be going on a diet, or you might kind of be making new life changes, and it might affect like your eating habits. So there's going to be a bit of more nutritional things, more things that are more tangible for you, and also something that makes you feel like a brand new person, either through food or generally feel good types of things in your own atmosphere as far as work's concerned. But as far as everything's going, I feel like it needed to change, and your eating habits will change with your environment. Okay, so might have taken a while, but I feel like it's getting there. Okay, so number 4, how can you fuel your body? We have the Death card in reverse, which is interesting. So a divorce, breakups, periods of depression and fear of change, holding on, death of a relative or a loved one, inevitable ending, and stagnation. So I feel like you might be emotionally eating. Okay, so you probably overeat, you probably undereat, you probably eat what's available to you, or you're kind of one of these people that's part of the clean plate club, if you know what I mean. But nothing is wasted, alright, because of your own sheer need or your sheer want of nutritious food or nutrition in general. So, yeah, I think it's mostly whatever's available you're basically eating. But I feel like you're also making some different choices as far as what you eat and what you put into your body. Okay? So we have number 5. Number 5 is something that your body is telling you. We have the Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse is stupidity, naivety, obsessive, someone who overlooks the obvious for the sake of love, insecurity, and dependence. So I feel like you're dependent on other people to help you out. And like I said, it's whatever's available. You're not really too picky at the moment. You're kind of like going with the flow of what's happening, okay? So there's that as well. Okay, so I do have my dice. People love the dice, right? So there's going to be fair treatment and karma. I feel like your karma thing has kind of been going around every so often. It's either good karma or bad karma, but I feel like in 2022, you're going to be off the track of karma. You're kind of going to be, you know, in the midst of survival. And that is actually energized by the, I think it's number 5. So it would be the Hierophant or the Pope card. So it's government aficionadoed. So you might be having government assistance to help you. Alright, so let's roll the dice. We have number 16. Okay, so let's see if we can roll it on camera. We have 16 again. Alright, so 16 twice. Let's see what present for Christmas you will get. And if I'm right, you know, it's going to be a good year, right? I also listed some other gifts that you may receive from your friends or family, or somebody you might have helped out during the year. There's, you know, I think there's 5 under there, so should be. Alright, so we have health. Might have had health issues before, and now it's finally getting back to normalcy, or you feel good, or you feel more like yourself. So that's good. And, you know, I feel like everybody goes through tough times. I just feel like you kind of had to get back on track and try to do some good things for yourself. For most of you, I feel like you might be fueled by the Chariot, a job card, you know. But I feel like for the most part it's going to be number 5, okay? But it's an odd number for most of 2022. So hopefully everything works out. And if you would like to give it to my channel, I do have buymeacoffee.com, which is going to be on the channel the entire 2022 on most of my videos. So, you know, drop me $1, $5, whatever you can do. And I will try to bless you as best I can, if you tell me what's going on, of course. But I've done blessings before, and they've helped people to achieve their goals and kind of, you know, go through their lives more deliberately and more aware of what's around them. So I feel like that might be something that everybody needs at the moment. So it's whatever you can give me, because I'll have your email or whatever, and I'll just let you know that you did get blessed by me. You know, I do spiritual pagan blessings, but they seem to work pretty well. I usually do like prosperity or abundant blessings, and they seem to work. So if you give me something, I'll give you a blessing, okay? Anyway, I will see you in the next reading, Aries. Hopefully your holiday season is good. I know mine isn't, because I don't really celebrate Christmas. I usually celebrate like other holidays. There's reasons why I don't celebrate Christmas. But anyway, hopefully you feel amazing and you feel more, aware of your situation, and you can make solutions to fix it, okay? Nothing's impossible. It's just impossible to get everything done that you want to do in one day, okay? Anyway, I will see you later on, okay? Bye now.